Hey everybody, how's it going? Today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to get to your settings app in Windows 10. So Windows 10, let's just list some good things about Windows 10. When it comes to Windows 10, you have a really firm, good OS. As you can see on the screen here, we have such good detail. We have a nice logo, good reflection here. We have the taskbar down here where all your apps are here that are pinned. You have your search bar, have all of this here. Access to Office over here. We have your, you know, running apps. We then have Meet Now. We have your NVIDIA stuff, your internet, your headphones, language, date of date and month, and all that. We then have your notification panel. Alright, so let's get to the settings. What you're going to want to do is push Windows I. When you push Windows I, this panel will open up here. This is what you should see. And so now you have I'm gonna go through all of these settings with you. System, like your display settings, sound, notification, power management. We have devices here, like that are connected to the computer, PC, whatever, via Bluetooth, USB. We have phone, link your Android phones so you can message on your computer, which is a pretty unique feature that Windows 10 brings. We have network and internet here to access, all that personalization. So, like, what's on the screen of the OS, how you want to format it. Apps, we have all your apps are here. Um, we then have accounts, like all your Microsoft accounts, email accounts, family accounts. We have the time, like I mentioned previously. We then have a gaming mode on Windows with all shortcuts to taking screenshots, recording, starting and stopping, microphone on and off, start, pause, broadcast. We have show, camera, and broadcast. We have a captures um, where it's like either in 30 FPS or 60. I don't know why this is set to 30. Definitely gotta set it to 60. But then we have the gaming mode here. It optimizes your PC for play. Um, so that's gaming. Now, ease of access is like all your contrast, all of the like scales of text, how you want to make it bigger. This is the mouse pointer if you want to enlarge it. This is your cursor. You want to basically enlarge the cursor. The color of the cursor. You have your magnifying glass, how you want to zoom into everything. Start like you can even center it to the screen. You can read. We have some color filters here too, like if you want to use it. And basically, what it does is it makes your photos and colors apply a filter to the screen. Uh, this is a contrast basically, so if I like turn this on, it's gonna say please wait. And while this happens, it's going to bring up a different, look to the OS, but I honestly gonna turn that off because it doesn't look too good in my opinion. So I'm just gonna wait for that. There we go. Alright, so then we have a narrator that basically talks you through all the ease and access and flow of the OS. Um, Hearing, we have audio, change your volume level. You can go to other settings here. You can basically theme out the sound. You can do tests, events. Um, we have a mono mode here, and it combines left and right audio channels to one channel. We have captions here. If you need some captions, for instance, um, you can just choose a default color, transparency, the style, size, effects. Um, we also have a background that you can change the background of the caption and the transparency as well. And you can dim so many unique features in Windows 10. Speech, we have a thing where you can use dictation to make text entry easier. So basically, when you talk, it'll just, um, if you have a microphone, for instance, it'll tell you, start talking, and then it'll, whatever you say, will display on the screen and type out automatically instead of you having to manually type it out. We have keyboard. So basically, um, you can have an on-screen keyboard, which is pretty cool actually. Um, you have like sticky keys, so like if you want to forcefully push a button constantly, it uh, is a shortcut key. You have toggle keys, so play a sound where whenever you press caps, num and all that. Use filter keys. Ignore brief or repeated keystrokes or change keyboard repeated rates. Change how keyboard shortcuts work. Print screen. Then we're gonna go to the mouse. This is like turn on mouse keys to use the numeric keypad to move the mouse pointer. So basically, if you don't even have a mouse, you can use, let's say, on your numpad, you can use 8, 2, 4, and 6. So 8 to go forward, 4 to go left, 6 to go right, 2 to go backward. Pretty unique feature. We have eye control, like if you need a device to track things. So that's that. And this is like a thing where you search everything on your PC. So basically, it will search through apps, webs, settings, files. To change which files on your device are searched, go to the searching window. Cloud content search we have. Windows search can personalize you. Search results by including your content from OneDrive, SharePoint, Outlook, Bing, and other services. This is like if you want to toggle on your Microsoft or school account. We have like search history on this device. You can clear it if you need to. This is like your Bing search history and all that. In searching Windows, you have a classic or enhanced, um, thing here. So it's pretty unique what your OS can do. And here, finally, we have the, you know, update section. As you can see, I'm currently up to date. Last check was yesterday at 9:21 p.m. This is like a patch kind of, update. It's like a quality update. So you can pause the updates for 7 days, change active hours, view update history, advanced options. This is the delivery optimizations. Allow downloads from other PCs. Basically, if you have files on this device and you have a share folder path onto an LAN network, you can basically type in the IP address of this computer, let's say, on a different computer, and go through all the files and download what is needed. We have the security here, where you basically have your virus, your account, your firewall, your app and browser device, the performance and health. It's looking pretty good here. You have your backup, so you can back up your files to OneDrive in case, let's say, your OS fails and you have no way to get your files back. Troubleshooting mode, like if you have issues on your Windows device and you need to get it resolved, Windows will find the best option for you. This is basically recovery, like reset the PC. It basically goes to a factory reset mode. You have an option to keep your files installed, or how you call on the device, just as a fresh install of Windows from the beginning. This is like advanced startup. So basically it starts up on a device like a USB or DVD. You can change firmware settings, startup options, or you can even restore it with the Windows system image, which is pretty cool. This is activation here, so basically if you want to activate your Windows, this is no product key because this is like a basic build of the OS. This find my device option, you can keep it on or off. Basically gives you access to where the location of your computer is. Like if someone steals your device, you can easily turn this on right before it happens and then find it later. This is like for developers. There's a mode. Install apps from any source, including loose files. You have a portal, device discovery. You have your file explorer here, which we'll be talking about in another video. You have your remote desktop. Basically, you can control your device on a different device. You have your PowerShell and the Insider program. So it's like basically to help you give feedback and everything like that on previous builds and all of that. So those were all the settings in this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.